Finally getting somewhere here. Get the part where you can see the front of the engine, see how far in it got pushed. This cooling fan got pushed up against this pulley. Was rubbing in it, rubbed the groove clear in it. This is the frame rail here. It should be out over here. And it's in here. This frame rail over here should be straight here. Yeah, pretty good hit. Pump off. Broke the bracket that mounts it, so we're gonna have to buy a new pump bracket. The whole thing was messed up, frame jammed into it, so we'll get a new one. Out through the doors, across the dash, and underneath where the dash is normally be, so we can pull this whole wiring harness. Don't know that we'll need it, but the other car has a few things that are cut, and we might need parts and pieces, so we're just going to